Alright, so we just finished up our epic adventures in Wisconsin. If you haven't seen it, it was amazing. We surprised Jake for his 10th birthday with a Packers game. I'll link the video up above. We're making our way down to Texas to be with family and friends for the holiday. So it's going to be an interesting journey for sure.
We are Danny,
Melissa,
Emma, Jake,
and we are 4 Simple Lives.
All right, we just got to Love's in Normal, Illinois. It's gonna be our second Love stop.
and it's not normal.
It's definitely not normal. I got these gloves on, I can't turn the damn thing around. So, as soon as we got here, we looked underneath, and my whole underbelly is ripped to shreds. So, trying to know what a freshwater tank looks like. There it is, folks. Luckily we ripped no wires, everything works. The underbelly is totally destroyed. Literally there's like a giant chunk missing. So instead of curling up on the couch and watching some news, I'm gonna be fixing this thing. Hey, but that's the joys of full-time RV life. Stay safe out there.
Alright, what'd you do?
So as you saw earlier, our underbelly was destroyed on our way here. So there's like a 3-foot section missing right in the middle. Half of my freshwater tank, and then the actuators, hydraulic actuators for the slides. So I cut it square, and then we got underbelly tape, and I taped it up, put a few more screws in there, because really it's just the back side, so the leading edge, when the wind goes through here, if it gets under the underbelly, that's what happened. It ripped it underneath the struts. So I taped it up real good with underbelly tape, and then when we get somewhere for a little while, we'll order a sheet of 10 by 10 underbelly, actually the fabric, the material, and then I'll replace the whole thing. So just another adventure.
Yes, it's all about the journey, as someone wise once told me.
Yeah, it's all about the journey. RV Park? There's nothing coming off the grid.
Okay, we just got to DraftKings RV Park right near the St. Louis Arch. Danny tried the surge protector. Everything was good. We got the magical beep. We set up, got the slides all out, plugged everything in, and we have no power. So, checking to make sure the 30 amp is working.
Alright, well, we pulled in, we did what we should. I put my surge protector, my watchdog on it. It showed good power. Hooked up the RV, no power, of course, after I disconnected. So I got my multimeter out, checked it. Line 2 is completely dead. There's no power coming from the pedestal. Line 1 did have about 209, 210. Should have 220. So I checked some other pedestals. They're bad too. They're the 50 amps pulling in like 210 instead of 240, which is great. At least it's only 80 bucks a night here. Classic. But I checked the 30 amp on the other ones too, and then I realized, I probably have a 30 amp on mine. Checked the 30 amp, and it seems to be working. So we should be good.
And I'm happy it works because we have a great view. There it is, the arch right there, right outside our window. Let's go check it out. Okay, just got into St. Louis, found some parking, and walking past Busch Stadium right now, home of the Cardinals. Too bad they're not playing, because that would be another stadium we could check off. Busch. So obviously we will have to come back here on our quest to see a game at every stadium. We're gonna go check out Ballpark Village, grab a snack, and then go check out the Arch. I'm digging the baseball.
It's so funny. I like it.
Brownies, fried ravioli.
Fried ravioli, I guess. That's the thing to have in St. Louis.
We'll have to hold a minute.
Yeah.
2.
Oh.
Still hot.
It's like a deep fried ravioli with meat in it.
Yeah.
It's so hot.
You gonna wait for it to cool down?
I'm blowing on it.
Oh.
Oh.
Mom, we need help.
1. Oh, we're doing all of them?
No, we're doing a lot of them. There's a lot of them. There.
Perfect. Good work.
Good work, guys. All right, here's the pod you get in to get up.
I don't recommend it. I thought this was like a
You're
bathroom at first. Yeah, no.
You take this all the way up, no?
No.
All right, well, we've made it to Athens, Texas. We're going to be here for a little bit, and then we're going to spend some time here for Thanksgiving. Danny is going to order some Underbelly stuff so that we can fix our Underbelly, and hopefully that'll be the end of that problem. But stay tuned next week where you can get a list of all of our gift ideas for full-time RV families. It's going to be fun.